you're experiencing lag spikes in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Update your drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. This can significantly improve performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This will help reduce the load on your system and minimize lag. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the control panel, select System, and then click on Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for best performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve game performance. Use Task Manager to identify and close resource-heavy programs. Step 5. Check for system overheating. Ensure that your system is not overheating, as this can lead to performance drops. Clean your computer's fans and vents, and consider using software to monitor temperatures. If overheating is an issue, improve cooling or consider upgrading your hardware. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your time in Night City.